so you get buckle.
So what them do? What's the money?
Bust the money.
Cartel?
Bust the money, cause they don't want a cartel, brother.
My life in hospitalized. I just saw a post saying you were hospitalized. No, I was not hospitalized. Went to the hospital door. But anyways, people, big up everybody where send me well wishes. Big up everybody where look out. Big up to everybody where utter good. Big up to the people who utter bad too. Big up to the people who rejoice. Big up to everybody where I say serve a right or a good or whatever. Whatever it is that you say, big up you. You understand? Zane, when I come here so and try to go on like say, when I see what I go on and when I see what is being said. You understand? We're good. We're alright. Well, not even we, me. Me good. Me alright. You understand? Still there in England. Right now, come to London. Did a performance last night. Run one part. Southeast. Was an excellent performance. Despite what everybody wants to say. Excellent. Fuck up the place. One bad. You understand? We played for an hour and 5 minutes. Played 47 minutes worth of girl song and just vibe. Lift up the energy in the place wicked. And play about 12 to 15 minutes. What are other songs, and after which I was assaulted by a gentleman. You understand? The assault was unprovoked. Sheila. Yeah, the assault was unprovoked. Zane. We are dealing with thing in the legal way, the lawful way. I don't come from England, I live in England. I don't come to England from 2019. And like I say, I have been approached by many people to come to England, and I've turned down the offer so many times. Different promoters turned an offer to come here because I've never wanted to come here by myself without my team. And it just happened to say, come here, and an unfortunate incident happened. For the people who I say, me did disrespect nobody. I mean, the footage is there, the dance is there, it's posted on YouTube, the entire event is there. You can go watch for yourself, and I go come myself, come defend myself, and I can make your own judgment. For the people who know me knows that I am an entertainer. You understand me? Entertainer. I play to the audience. I don't play for myself, I don't play for my ego. I play for the audience. The persons who were in attendance last night, every single body were in attendance last night, get piece of juggling for themselves. Zane, everybody was in the party last night, get piece of juggling to themselves. You understand me? I say, I play Vybz Kartel song when I'm telling you some play about 47 minutes what a girl song. Gospel, disco, pop. Just for the woman them, focus on them straight. In the last 10 minutes to the event done, I say, boom, I just run out some song before the party, lock off. Because them give me a signal, so the party lock off 5 o'clock. I said, so boom, I go in, I big up everywhere in Jamaica. As in the 14 parish, I big up in a specific community. I big up from Westmoreland, go straight. Come back to Kingston, every parish, Circle Island, go straight around. Big up every parish. And play some song, some inspirational song. And then we start play some Badman song. I play Vybz Kartel, Commit. You understand? I play intro the song, play the song. And when I play the song, I was signaled to by an individual that them no want hear no cartel, or him no want hear no cartel. And somebody came and give a money pull up for the song, for the commit. Pull up the song, reintroduce the song, ignore the gentleman, reintroduce the song, play the song. Somebody else come give a next money pull up for the cartel song. Reintroduce the song again, play the song. play a couple more songs. The gentleman who told me not to play the song came up in the DJ booth, or where the DJs were supposed to be, and come bounce me and itch upside of me. So I turn around, stop the music, ask the brother, where you deal with it? Where you come and bounce me and come and pray me? So he walked to the far end of the stage and give me a bad look and said, so I say, brother, no, them thing there. Individual, some in the party run come on the stage and I say, yo, I'm good. I Brixton me there, yo. No man can diss me, no man can style me. And the man come and say, yo, Peckham man there, no man can diss me. And B man come and I say, yo, boom, triple X, I want to fuck up the place. Go on, do your thing. I turn to them, selected them back at me and I say, yo, no man come around here. I say, no man not supposed to come around here. So continued and proceeded to play. Seeing the forward that was given, I did play. Vybz Kartel, Bumble Wall. Go bad up your mother. You understand? Intro the song, play the song. 4 corner forward, slap with the place. Tear down the place, play Whites, and then play right after I play Whites, I play squash song, Big Breeze, fuck up the dance. Play about for another 10 minutes. And then the owner of the venue came and said, okay, the people who know the venue know the venue is also a church. So they came and said, oh, me have to lock off the sound now. And leave because they have to empty out the venue, to fix up for the church, the early service, the Sunday morning. So we're done. Everybody will have them flyers now. I say, people who own the flyers, I say, Sunday, so big up the party them because the music turn off now. Enjoy the rest of the day, I read the flyers then. And the gentleman was to my body's right, standing the whole time. We have about 6 or 7 selectors. 6 or 7 selectors they come and sit down. And I say, alright, be a man there, so I'm not going to pray. I just read the flyer them and thing. I feel something lick me in my head. I swear say something drop out of the ceiling and lick me in my head. I swear to God. I hold on for my head and I walk off and I look and I see blood in my hand. I grab my towel, press it on my head and turn around and I look. Some ladies I say, are the same youth. Welcome bounce you. Do it. So the man sneak up back at me and lick me with a buckle and run out like a punk. Zane, sneak round, lick me with a buckle and run off like a punk. You understand me I say? Zane, because of the contusion I was there, some nurses were in the club and them say, alright, boom, triple, have a seat, nobody walk up and down because you bleed and everything. But you don't know, for the persons who know about biology, you know, say, I just work and I run up and down for an hour. Run, go this, so my body hot. You understand? So oxygenated blood run and deoxygenated blood run. So anything, head injury, no matter how small it is, you're going to have a lot of bleeding. You understand? After which were there, them say them a call an ambulance. The promoter say, nobody wait for the ambulance. Just carry him to the hospital. No, nobody wait for the ambulance to come because that will take time and plus I bleed all it. Went outside, jumped in the vehicle, went to the hospital. I'm not telling a lie. I go hospital America, I go hospital Jamaica, England, when I lead. And healthcare free, when I lead. Get through quick and fast. Do whatever scans I'm going to do. Start out to do. Got my stitches and was discharged. Then come back to my hotel, wash off, and went to the necessary authorities. You understand me? I said, no, that is it for that are it. But I say nothing more for all of the people and we are rejoice. Big up on yourself. You understand? Big up on yourself for all who are rejoice, all who are jump up and thing. Big up on yourself. The work must go on. You understand me? I say? Me as a youth, I've traveled all over the world playing music. And I have never had this type of insult or injury happen to me. You understand? Never. You understand? People who know me know me as an entertainer, full package. I am not just a selector. I am an entertainer. So when I go people spend their money and book me, you can expect the best entertainment from me to ignite the crowd. You understand? For the people who say, me disrespect people over and over, me I diss people in a crowd and me I diss. If anybody say me this them, I would have the woman them because my DJ for the woman them, so me talk things for insight reaction out of the woman them. Mostly. So I would have the woman them would have say, me this them. You understand? Because me's a man, me very cognizant of when me there, I'm absent and like me I eat that. Everybody know say me and I not eat that, me and I not fool. You understand me I say? Zane? Now for the people that say me this man from this area and that area, bullshit. You understand? Me only disappointed to some of the people when I talk actually have my number and them not call me for see if me alright, but them dep on live I say me and them a friend and I'm a brethren and them rate me. But yet still them attack, be a lie. And them something there. Zane? Well they say no, chug it better me the town of Jamaica and go chug it. Better me the town of Jamaica and go chug it for true. You understand me? I say better me the stay of Jamaica and go on and chug it, you understand? But because of the real load of chug it, this event was already booked from before chug it. But I try to get a ticket to go back to Jamaica. Early this morning, someone could have catch chug it. But what's we do I go on, I could even get to go to the airport, go sort out. You understand me? I say, but I'm good. You understand me good? I'm not feeling no pain right now or nothing. You understand me? I say, I'm there with family and loved ones, so everything good, man. I'm not nobody fret, nobody worry. I'm not nobody stop call my people then. That's why I'm coming. So everybody call everybody and stress out everybody. So I'm just put this here so you can do no screen recording. Zane, people them say, where me big up. Show your hospital armband. 4. Zane, for the people them who are saying that I big up this crew and that crew and whatever crew, lie. Not no go so. Nothing at all no go so. I didn't big up no crew. I go everywhere in the world. I go every community, everywhere in Jamaica. I play music. Everywhere I go in America, I go all about America, I play music. You understand me? Entertain. Zane, I don't business who not like Vybz Kartel, who not rate Vybz Kartel. If you not book me now, if anyway you know say Vybz Kartel not for play, sorry, I can't do it. I cannot do it. Cannot go in if I can't not play. That's bad. Knowing say I can't do it, I not take the bookings. You understand? Zane, I play a Kartel song and a man said, I not play it back. I get money pull up for play it back. How much time it was played back? 3 times. I play a couple more songs, then I play a next Kartel, and then 10 minutes later after the event done, the coward wait until I interact with the people and my back turn. Him lick me with a buckle and run away like a runway. You understand? This is not a Jamaican who did this, so I don't want anybody to come disrespect the Jamaican diaspora. That is as much as I'm going to say. This was done. Somebody say it was bigging up the place in Jamaica. Which place in Jamaica? Big up the 14th parish in Jamaica. Which place in Jamaica? Big up. That's why you see, when I must don't run with it. Do not run with narrative where you see people are going to pray. One thing this show me, because me I see the whole of the screen record them from there. This show me say people are going to make up things. How them feel for make up things. You understand? People are going to make up things and run with any narrative what they want. People are going to make up things and run with everything what they want. So you see everything and everything when you see on the internet. Real. The good thing about it, the videos are posted. The entire dance was streamed live, so the live stream is supposed to still there. You can go watch but the live stream and see everything are going. You understand? I never disrespect nobody, I never big up no place nor nothing. First of all, I don't know we are England. So the fuck me I go big up place. Zane? So all who taught them something there. Yeah man, Kevin man. And Kevin I'm a G too, because Kevin is a selector, I'm a rate because I'm a selector Kevin. And Kevin a jump up and run with a narrative. I'm gonna rate that Kevin man. Come on man, you're a big man, I do that something there, brother. If you're gonna be wrong, you don't have to be so wrong and so strong. You understand me I say? You're a big man, bro. You're a big man. If you need my number, you could have said a simple one too. You could have sent me a DM. You could have said and asked me my number that hard to get. I have 4 phones right and the 4 phones them I work. One upstairs, I have 4 phones. 4 numbers I have. 90% of Jamaica have 3 of my number. You understand me I say? 90% of Jamaica have 3 of my number them. So you could have said so boom and get my number and ask me. And if you did call me and ask me, but I talk to you Kevin, because I know say I go live about him, but I talk to you. You never have to run with that narrative there, brother. Zane, now, Big up the well-wishers them. Big up the people who offer me help. Big up the people who offer me service. Big up the people who come in the hospital. Big up the people who the nurse them or the in the event where look for me. Big up the big up everybody who shout me. You understand? Zane, but I just one of them thing there. Zane, I just one of them thing there. Life goes on. This not gonna stop me from doing what I do. You understand? I don't know. This is I blame myself too in this whole situation here. Because I left my head back careless. Zane, me left my head back careless, so I blame myself in that situation. You understand? This won't happen again. For a fact. You understand? This only make it worse for the people where look for book me overseas now. It not gonna work so again. Them little, it does work, it does make it worse for you now. You understand me? I say certain provisions have to be put in place now. I will learn from the mistake they won't make. I'm a big enough man for no say, alright, but I make a mistake, but I step into something without proper preparation or deliberation. You understand me? I say? So, I see somebody say on one live today, say Triple X underestimate who him is, and Triple X too simple. And because Triple X is so simple, everybody feel like say, them and Triple X are size. And these are things on my team at Jamaica, my management team, my security team, my bridging them, my road them, always I tell me, say me too friendly, I'm too nice, I'm too jovial, I'm chat to everybody, I'm allow everybody to have access to me. Because I honestly do not look at myself as a celebrity, I look at myself as just a normal individual. I do not look at myself as somebody of high repute. I just look at myself as a normal person who just enjoys what I do. So, me go anywhere, everywhere, and me just talk to people everywhere. Me no one of them person where I can rush down my car and cut, or rush go in one venue and itch up in a VIP. Man, them know say, you book me for a stage event, me down in the crowd, in the general, me and G them. You understand? I'm a dead. And them things like them, when you don't see artists par with 40, 50 members of entourage and walk with 30,000 man go an event, and wanna laugh and say the artists them love, man. Wanna really and truly have to think about it, say them thing is a possibility. You understand? Because the truth of the matter is we and everybody are go comfortable with 50,000 man around them, and everybody are go have well wishes for you, and everybody are go be well thinking. You are go have some individuals that really and truly look for a way for mar your character, or for them just wait for something for you celebrate, and you have to really and truly. This make me looking at myself and say, oh boom, I have to be more cognizant, because what happened to me is not the problem. I have a family and I have a youth. You understand? I live for. And I look upon this and say, it's just a buckle. The individual who's and lick me. You understand? And if, like, we don't know yet what they read. We don't know say I just something dermal go on right now. For now, we don't know what got long term, but it could have worse. The man could have broke the buckle before him come and use the buckle and stab me in my neck and kill me. You understand? The man could have stabbed me in my side with something. The man could have a gun and shoot me. You understand me? I say, Zine, the man never have to be a coward and lick me from behind and run. You understand me? I said it could have been much worse. And if something did happen to me, what them would have tell my son in the morning when he wake up? I'm the mother that look at my son and tell my son, say, when I look forward to see me next week and them thing there. When every day my son call me and I count down, Daddy, when you come, look, when you come. Every single day my son call me and ask me when I come look for him. Them thing I'm going to put certain things in a perspective where I have to know, say, me have to be more cognizant, and me have to be more self-aware, me have to be more aware of my surroundings. You understand? Where people are going to talk now, when I go end up start say, my hype. When I go end up start say, my hype now, because when I change how I start run now, I go say, my hype, and I feel like me a celebrity, and I feel like me a big star. Somebody say, I did for hear and listen. I did for hear and listen what? Let me tell you this. One thing I got to tell you straight. Me as a man, I don't live my life in a fear. I'm really and truly, me not take intimidation, me not take bad up. Me not take intimidation and me not take bad up. Not all. Not all. If I did Jamaica, this is a total different thing, but I don't know nobody in England. You understand me? I say, Zane, I'm not going to mix up myself in a criminality because I'm a professional. You understand? This is what I do to earn a living, for suffice for myself and my family. Zane, so stop it, cap. Zane, he's a professional. I'm not going to mix up myself in a criminality and a load. You understand me? I say, allow the law to run its course, for deal with it, for deal with it, and then we sort out, if we sort out. You understand? Zane, so, as I say, I blame myself for left my head back careless. You understand? Zane? So, with everything I go on right here, so, I don't talk what really happened already. The screen recording them I go out there. I'm not going to talk again. I'm not going to talk again. I don't talk what go on already. The screen recordings are going to be out there. Everybody supposed to start screen recording. Screen recording for screen recording. Can chop it up all they want, chop it up. And that is some. But seems triple more focus on recovery. 100%. Oh. We don't do what for do, man. I want to know, man. We don't have to set something come commissary. Imagine police are going to lock him. No. Zane, everything we are dealing for dealing. You understand me I say? Everything we are dealing supposed to deal with. Remember, say, I'm not an idiot. I'm not a dunce. You understand me I say? Zane, bro, I love chat. So you start again, what? Start again. So we know. We're going, brother. Proper boss, I don't need to make you know. I don't owe you nothing. I don't owe nobody nothing. You understand? I'm my own big man. Do what me want to do, myself me want to do, talk how me want to talk. You understand me I say? Now people thank you very much for tuning into this life. You understand? Big up on yourself. Enjoy the rest of the day.